how to add accordion dropdown in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is, and in just few steps you're going to add an accordion dropdown into your website using Squarespace. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over squarespace.com. Then you need only to sign in for an account in this platform. So as you can see here, we have the favicon of the account. So we are going to get the access of the account dashboard. A little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video such as email addresses and accounts are created only for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So make sure to use your own information. So right here, as you can see, we have the dashboard of the website. We're going to use a non-expired website to work with the version right there. So we are going to select this one, and after that it will open up and reload the content of the website. It will not take a lot of time from you because Squarespace is very well known for the agility and also the speed of navigation. So right now, we have four essential steps that we need to apply to make sure that everything is going well. So, in the video description right there, or the video that you are watching, I'm going to set up here or attach this file or this notepad document into the uh, comment or the description. So, I'm going to let you see here the steps and also how we can apply them. So the first step is going to be opening here the notepad or following the instruction that I'm going to give you. So the first thing, you need to head over the settings and visit the developer tools, and then you're going to inject the code right there into the header. So we are going to head over the settings here. It doesn't matter for the page here, so we are going to visit the settings, and then we're going to visit the developer tool. And after that, we are going simply to set up the code. So I'm going to head over. So in case you don't see here an element or a menu named code injector, you are going simply to click on the search bar at the top, or you can go ahead and press the slash button. So we are going to click on here, and then we are going to type in code injection or injector. So as you can see, inject HTML into the general header or footer areas. So we are going to click on it, and then we are going to see here that we have different cases. We are going to use only the two pages here, which is the first one, the header, and the second one is going to be the footer. For the header, we are going simply to select this text, the first line, copy it, and paste it right there. So with that said, we're going to click on save. Boom. This is the first thing. Now, the second thing is going to be using the footer. So we are going to inject another code into the footer. And this is the footer. So we have here the clear instructions. We're going to select the script from the beginning till the script at the ending. Click on here, copy, and then we are going to paste it right here. So boom, this is the second step. Now we are simply going to click on save. After you have did that, we're going to head over here, the website, and then we are going to add a custom CSS. Now, how we can add a custom CSS, you have saw the custom CSS here. So we are going to head over the website here, select the pages. As you can see, I'm going to re-show you here. So we have here the website, select pages, scroll down until you see here website tools. Now, you're going to see both of the custom CSS or the code injection. So in case you don't find it, you're going to click on here, settings. You have to go to the settings here, and then you are going to type in CSS, and here it will show you the custom CSS. Now we are going simply to head over the file, and we are going to copy and paste from the point drop down until we see here the ending or the closing bracket. So we are going to paste it right here, and simply we are going to click on save. Boom. Here we have added this custom CSS. Now, this custom CSS will get here or be the control panel of the accordion dropdown. So as you can read here, you are going to see the font size, the margin button. Here we have some sizes or some units. You're going to see the border button, 1 pixel, solid. You're going to see the paddings. You're going to see here the font size, etc. And here we have it. Now, this is going to be, or the CSS is going to be here the customizable here item or a customizable box for us to make. Now, let's go ahead and close the website here. Not the website, but the parameters. So we are going to choose a page that we are going to add here the accordion drop down menu. So we are going to click on edit on the website, and then we are going to add maybe a FAQ section. So I have thought about adding a FAQ section. So we are going simply to add a section. And from these sections, I will see if I will have an FAQ or I going to add a blank section. So it doesn't matter. Now I am going to add a block, and this block is going to be a text. So we are going to type in FAQ. We're going to make it bold. And here we are going to make it a heading. So we are going to put it here at the top. So I'm going to align it to the middle like that, and boom. So now we are going to add another block, and this block is going to be, so I'm going to make this section a little bit bigger like that. So we are going to add a block, and this block is going to be a HTML code. So we are going to click on code, and I'm going to make it here to the middle. So we are going to make it here. Now, we are going to head over the file that I have added before, which is add the HTML, and this is the fourth step. So I'm going simply to copy and paste this element or this code. Copy, double tap on here the code section. So you have here the HTML mode. We are going to add it as HTML. We're going to delete the text, and then we are going to copy and paste something or the code that we have added. So once you have collected or added this specific area, you're going to see here the drag or drop down menu. So you are going simply to click on save. I'm going to exit that mode, and we are going to see here that we have the question. When you click on the plus button, it will show you here the answer of that question, and also like this one. So how we can modify and add and edit the questions or the text, we are going to click on edit, head over here, double click on the code, and here we have the source code. So as you can see, the div class is dropped down, so we are not going to touch that. This is the question. As you can see, this is the question here. We have the text. So if you want to change the question type, you are going to set up here the question. So for example, how much does the service cost? Question mark. So here we have modified the first layer of the dropdown. Now for the answer, you are going to read that this is a div class answer. So now we are going to put here our answer. For example, we have like this different and facts. So be free to choose one of them. Boom. Now, here we have the drop down level 2. So this is a question. You're going to add the second question. And as you can see here, we have two answers. So I'm going to delete one answer and let only the first answer. So the second question here is going to be something like, how does your services work? For example, the answer is going to be here. Let's say something. We have a lot of, let's say here, information to give you. So please email us. So now let's go ahead and add another question. So how we can add another question? So we are going simply to copy a tier or the drop down level. So we are going to select here from div class drop down level 2, for example. We are going to copy until we are going to see here the div port 1 and 2 selected. We're going to have a space here, and then we are going to have here the second or drop down right there. So you are going to add another drop down level, and here we have it. So at the end of the journey, you need to have four div limiters or brackets right there at the ending. So you are going simply to click on save, exit that mode, and you are going to see here the navigation. So I'm going to let you see here. What do we have? Here we have the FAQs. How much does here? How does your service works? And also we have copied and pasted this one. So as you can see here, it is going to be an accordion dropdown. So for the margins right there and also the spaces between each one of the sections, you are going to control it by visiting the custom CSS here and also make it right there. So for the padding, we have here 10 pixels. So we are going to change it to 5. And then as you can see, something has here changed. And also for the font size, and here we have something. So we are going to change the font size to 3RM and boom. So we are going to put it as 2 only. Boom. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.